Hello my dear students, welcome back to Dr. Maran's Chemistry Academy. Alright, so let's continue. Now in my previous tutorial video, I have showed how the sigma bond has been formed, right, through the head-on overlapping. This is called as head-on overlapping, right, head-on overlapping. Alright, sigma bond is a stronger bond than a pi bond formed through the head-on overlapping. Now I'm going to show you how does the pi bond is being formed. So in these molecules, right, in this orbital molecule, you still have a two unhybridized p orbital, which is py and pz. So in this unhybridized orbital, be mindful that you still have another two more orbital, which I used to call pethyl, right? So you have two unhybridized orbital over here. And the other one is here. Alright, two unhybridized orbital. Similarly, for another carbon, you have one orbital, unhybridized orbital over here. So what we could see here is there are two unhybridized orbital for each carbon, right? So what we're going to do, what's going to happen for this unhybridized orbital? They can't remain there just, looking at this molecular orbital to forming a bond. They also have their job to do. So what they will do, they will undergo sideway overlapping. What is meaning of sideway overlapping? Okay, sideway overlapping, they will just, because they have what do you call that, py and pz, you can see that they still have remain a empty orbital in there. Actually half electron can be filled, another half can be filled here to complete the shell. So what's going to happen, they will actually this will merge 2py and 2pz will merge with another carbon 2py and 2pz to complete. But that is not a sigma bond, that is the pi bond. The reason is because they are unhybridized orbital. Only hybridized orbital undergo a complete shell to form a sigma bond. Unhybridized will form a pi bond. Remember that. So unhybridized orbital, I have to put here py, pz, so that you can understand better. Py, pz. So what's going to happen to them? They're going to have a sideway overlapping. Okay, sideway overlapping, as what you can see here. So this is called sideway overlapping. So sideway overlapping will produce a pi bond. So we're going to have a 2 pi bond and 3 sigma bond in ethyne molecule. So sometimes the exam question they can ask how many pi bond and sigma bond are there in this particular molecule. So you have to actually get this molecular orbital right to actually identify how many types of bond are there. Alright, follow for more information to my next video tutorial. Stay tuned. Thank you.